Guys, there's so many fall makeup looks to do. I am gonna do this one right now. So if you want to see how I do it, let's go. Welcome to today's video. I thought today I would do a fall pumpkin-y, using some new makeup trends this fall. I can't use all the trends though because they just don't go with each other. So I'll just do like a pumpkin look for now. And what I had in mind was more of a no makeup look with that pumpkin-y coloring, light on the eyes but like bold lips, sort of like a pumpkin spice perhaps. I don't know, let's just see where it goes. Okay, so I got all the makeup that I picked for today. I picked all the makeup that I'm going to try and work with today. Little mix of this, a little mix of that. There's no need really to buy new makeup when you have so much makeup to choose from, and basically, let's be honest, it's pretty much as fun as it is to buy new makeup and try new makeup out. Yes, there's a difference, but at the end of the day, if you want a certain look, you can achieve that look, I'm sure, with whatever you have. Of course, it's different for everyone, but just saying, I'm sure the look you want to achieve, you'll have enough makeup for it. I think my neck hurt. I just came back from a vacation, which was so nice. And I think like my neck is so sensitive to using pillows that every time I change my pillow, I get in pain in my neck. I'm not talking about my husband. And I feel so good. You know when you come back from vacation and you exfoliate in the shower and my skin feels so good. I got more sun color than I would like to. But so again, I always go dewy and glowy. But I'm going to go matte because I just feel like fall would be more of a matte look. But I don't like really matte, so we'll go with a soft matte. And I happen to see this foundation here that I remember liking, Michelo, I should know that, but this is a soft matte full coverage look, so I'm gonna go right in with that. Not a lot, because if I remember correctly, I feel like a little went a long way with this, so let's see. Nice color match. I always like to start with a little. Can always build up. And remember, I want to do a no makeup look. So I don't want to have like heavy makeup, like a daily, everyday look. Oh my God, I went to Aruba. I've never been. It's my first time in Aruba. And I loved it. I've never seen water. And I haven't been to a lot of places. I've been to Jamaica like 5 times. Mexico, Bahamas. I've been to Bermuda. I've been to Bermuda. I think that's it. Dominican Republic. That's it. I think that's all the islands I've been to. I haven't been to many. I mean, in my eyes, it's a lot, but I know there's a lot of ones out there, other ones out there, and so I was excited to finally see Aruba, and I have never been in the ocean so blue. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. I did wipe out at one point with the waves, but it was wavy for like 1 minute and then it was beautiful. It was beautiful the rest of the way. Okay, so going in with my Liss XXX Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. Again, I always put these products that I'm going to use in my video on my Amazon shop, and it's not like you don't have to search for all of them. It will say items used in YouTube video, blah, 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 blah. And then you press that link, which I will have below. I'll have the link below. You just press the link and all of these items will be there. Yeah, Aruba was so nice. And I'm not trying to sound like a brat, but we're going to Mexico in like 3 weeks. And the only reason is that's a free trip. So I'm not going to say no to free trip. It's like through my husband's work. It's almost like, oh my God, I just wish it would spread out more. It keeps happening. We went to Hawaii last year at this time, literally right where those terrible fires were, and Lahana. And then we had that free trip to Jamaica weeks later. I'm not going to complain though. An oldie but goodie. Look, it's already getting so worn out. My butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm going to have to get a big one. Not doing too much like of a darker bronzer because I want to no makeup. Sometimes I even just go all around my bronzer because if I feel too pale in the middle, I just want to darken that up a little. I know we want brightness in the middle, but I don't want too much brightness. Ooh, and this is like my favorite fall palette. What is this? OPV Beauty London. Look at these colors for the fall. So nice. I'm gonna go in with the Rust. And a highlighter because it's a highlight, really. But I grabbed this because you think, oh, it screams fall, but really? I don't know about this. I guess as far as cranberries go, maybe. I don't know. But I need the orange, so I'm just gonna put my brush in the orange and go like that because it's matte. And I wish I did that before I did all this highlight. Okay, I have a few different palettes. I grabbed my mini palette from Maybelline, the City Mini. Has some rust in there. I mean, it has some fall colors in there. LYS again. This is like becoming one of my favorite name brands. And I grabbed the Il Makiage because of the nice colors in there. Just gonna do a quick look. Okay, so I have to dub this part in because I don't know, I just wasn't feeling my best that day, and usually when I do these videos, it puts me in a better mood. When I do makeup, you know, some people feel better when they do certain things. Doing my videos, it kind of just makes me feel better, but I was just having a day, which we all have. And it was like struggling to talk, like literally struggling to move my mouth. You know those days, you have like that numbness in your face and you're just, it's just, sometimes you just don't feel like talking. I don't know. I feel like I've been that person. I don't like to socialize as much as I used to. I don't know. But once I'm in a social environment, I'm okay. So I'm just doing a quick makeup look. And I think you guys can all relate to just having a bad day. So I apologize. But I could see watching this how like painful it was for me to speak and struggle and think straight. And I just couldn't think when I get like this. So I just don't want to do anything. But the makeup was looking really good and I felt like doing makeup. So I was like, because there's days when this happens and I'm like, I can't record today. And I have shut the camera off and said, forget it. But I really felt like I was really in the mood to do the makeup. So I did. I just didn't feel like talking. So apologies on that. Okay, there we have my pumpkin spice makeup look. I have to do my hair still, but I'm gonna do another video. So I'm gonna close this out now, and I hope that I dubbed in a little bit as I was doing my makeup that I had planned on as I was sitting there, and I apologize for that, but hopefully I did that. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I feel like I have just enough of the pumpkin look and the orangey pumpkin-y look for the fall. We'll do the next fall look. We'll do like, we have cranberries, browns, which I always do, greens. Let's do some fall looks. And my original plan was to do a no makeup look today with bold lips. So maybe we'll do that next time. But I got a little carried away and I had fun and I like this look a lot. So we'll do the other look next time. Until then guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.